nasa court na po kami, inaantay na lang yung bus. Several minutes, pinagsama-sama na po kami. Dumiretso na kami sa bus namin. So this is us when we arrived on the bus. When we finally sat on the bus, yeah. Here po kung ano-ano lang ginagawa namin. So yeah. Okay. Try to eat this.
Esa lang pwede, esa lang. Say hi. Hi, bakit? Hi. Hi kayo.
Guys,
Naka-stop over po kami. Asan tayo?
shawarat sa mga nasa school. Shawarat.
Asan tayo ngayon?
Nakakatawa po.
Hello po. Hello guys.
Uy, nakababa kayo?
Guys. May nakita pa ako kumakain ako dito eh.
Wala. Hindi ka pumili.
Ay, nagapendot. Nandito po kami sa bus. Sa bus kami. While on our way to our first destination, let me tell you some of the things that you need to know about the place. Did you know that in 1951, the Philippines recognized the historical significance of this place to our nationhood and declared it as a national monument and a national shrine known as Shrine of Freedom in honor of Dr. Jose Rizal and the countless number of people imprisoned, tortured, and martyred here for the cause of freedom.
We just arrived here in our first destination.
Fort Santiago. Fort Santiago is one of the oldest fortifications in Manila, built by the Spaniards in 1571.
From what was once a palisaded structure of logs and earth built by Raja Sulaiman on the native settlement called Maynila.
Dungeons of Fort Santiago is located in the historic walled city of Intramuros. It was originally meant to be a storage facility for gunpowder and weapons, but it was turned into a prison cell during the 1600s.
We explored the dungeon and discovered the different tortures that the prisoners had experienced.
A few moments later.
Time check. It's 11:11 a.m. We're on our way papuntang Space and Time Cube. 7:30 na lang nakapasok kami because sa loob pa siya ng mall and many students are also waiting.
Yay, space and time!
Nilibot lang namin yung loob, took photos, and experienced aesthetic vibes inside.
One eternity later.
Paalis na kami papunta sa aming third destination, which is the Enchanted Kingdom. Pumila po kami to get our cards checked and dumiretso na po kami sa rides. Our first ride is the Disco Magic.
This is us before riding Disco Magic! This is us after Disco Magic! May patay na dito! This is us before Twin Spin! This is us after...
And dito, tinry namin yung Extreme Drop Tower, and in my experience, naiwan yung kaluluwa ko sa tuktok.
Honest reaction, guys. Honest reaction.
Si Jaylin mo ka!
This is us after Drop Tower.
This is us before our drop.
Kuya, wait lang. Kuya, ganda naman ang makeup mo, kuya. Kuya, wait lang. Kuya, cute na, kuya. Kuya, kuya. What's your FB? Bumawak sa akin, ano? Kuya, kamukha mo si ano? Ano FB niya, kuya? Ano FB niya, kuya? Kuya, samahan mo kami, kuya. Kuya. Kuya, wag yung pagdaan mo na, kuya.
Mauna kayo.
Wala kayo.
Yanino, kuya ikaw.
Higa po yan. Kuya, may teka.
Space Shuttle, an extreme ride. On this roller coaster, only 3 of us rode, yet we had a lot of fun. This one's a thrilling roller coaster, and riding this is also an exhilarating experience. As it turns you upside down, I swear it's gonna be fun.
Now that it's already night, naisipan na din po namin bumalik sa bus dahil hanggang 6:30 lang po kami sa EK.